I'm Jennifer Novak, and I'm an environmental lawyer here in the great state of California, home of environmental regulation. Now, the other day, a client came to us needing help evaluating some proposals that she'd received from environmental consultants. She had two different proposals for work from two different consultants. The overall cost of each one of them was about the same. They varied by about a couple $1,000s. But the scope of work each one was proposing was vastly different. So the client couldn't really compare apples to apples to see which one seemed better than the other. I mean, it wasn't just a matter of this consultant's going to charge you X to pull groundwater samples and this other one's going to charge you Y. It was literally that one consultant is going to do certain kinds of research and the other one isn't. There's different phasing each one wanted to do for their sampling. They had different ideas of what kinds of samples should be taken and the number of samples to take. At the same time, our client admitted she didn't even know what a fair price would be for any of this work in the first place. So when she came to us, she felt that she had no way to gauge what work was necessary, how long it should take, what the end result should be, or how much it should cost. Now, we're lawyers, but we do work with environmental consultants every day on a wide range of projects. So we have a sense of why consultants feel certain work is necessary and how much we see them charge for similar work. At the same time, we ask questions. We'll ask them whether certain work is necessary now, whether it's necessary ever. Can we delay it? What would be the effects if we get a bad result? And sometimes we even suggest more work to make sure that any good results our clients get don't get discounted or rejected by a government agency because it's too speculative. Our experience allows us to translate these proposals for our clients, and I'll call it being a Rosetta Stone, to take the language of consultants and to translate it into plain English for real people who aren't hydrogeologists or engineers. And no offense to the hydrogeologists and the engineers, because you know I love you. But we try to make sure our clients actually understand what you're proposing. We want to give them peace of mind about whether a proposal is fair. And we also help to explain a consultant's strategy and thoughts to our clients to show them how ultimately it may benefit them. We try to bridge that gap between the science and the law and our clients. And that's part of what makes our work so interesting and why we love what we do. If you know anyone who could use that peace of mind, who's maybe overwhelmed or intimidated by the idea of an environmental investigation, please let them know that we're available to help them, and they should give us a call.